76. Yeah. She's nice. She's shiny. She's pretty. Installing that, I got a hone for the pistons just to get the glaze off. This is there's your part number if you want to get one of these. I have it in my parts list also. Let's see, looking here. Very nice. And then cam, which I'm happy. Oh, there we go. Gotta figure out how to open the box. Dang. There's my cam card. Cool. I did open this before. There was a sticker in there. Very happy. I love stickers. Just makes you smile. Cam bolts and cam shields. And the cam. Beautiful. So parts are adding up. Costs are adding up. But happiness is new, more powerful stuff. Stay. So what I've been working on, cleaning this up. I actually cleaned up the outside of it. It just had gasket cinch all over it, and I'm not on, I don't know, 3 or 4 nights of cleaning this up after work every day. Inside looks pretty good. We're getting there. We're very close. I think I'm pretty much satisfied with this. I'm going to give it a more time and probably clean out these holes and everything because they have a ton of gasket cinch in there too. I did get some of these things also in my parts list. I gotta shine up this one yet. I'm getting a little crazy with the cleaning this thing up on the outside. I don't really think it matters, but I want it to look nice. So the other thing I was doing, I took the death wheel and I looked down these, and I don't know if you can see it, but see that second one? It's kind of blocked. Well, all of them all the way down on both sides were like that. So I took the death wheel, found the, there you go, you can kind of see it. Found the parting line there and gently went down and just took that off because these ones were filled all the way. But these ones it started getting a little less here. And then once you get to the top, it was the same thing. They were like, I don't know, 1/4 inch wide. So I didn't go all the way down. I didn't want to score into the piston. I just took the extra slag off, just really gently, just letting the weight of the tool just take it off. And I did that for all 4. So those are cleaned up. Next I can put the hone on them, the flex hone. Clean those up, and those will be ready for paint after I clean them again. Hey, another thing. Oh yeah. Stickers make me happy. Oh, yeah, I got one of those too. I had a video on before. It was like 10-15 seconds long about the hinges for these cars. I don't know if you are familiar, but when they open, they make that horrible sound that just is like raking your fingers down a chalkboard. These are in my parts list also. All you have to do to install them is drill this hole out here. I didn't drill that side. I just drilled this side. And then you pop one of these puppies on the top. And then it just pops on the bottom. Down here, there's already a little nodule thing sticking out. So that pops on. And then it's pressure fitted here too. And that pops on. And then voila. No more horrible sound. That's nice. Very nice. These hinges are, I think they're actually Jeep hinges. Also in my parts list. Try and put everything that I got for this car, which is a lot from Amazon, in that list. And I'm probably going to add, links to the Safari windshield and other stuff. But she's coming along. So here's the plan. I'm going to take this engine out, and we're going to replace it with that one and see if she blows up or not. Oh yeah, and also I replaced one of the, what do you call it on the, yeah, see that spot down there? Yeah, that's from the transaxle. I don't understand. I replaced the seal on the side of the gearbox, and it's still, well, it didn't leak for like a week, and then after that it started leaking again. So I don't know if I did something wrong or I don't know. I thought the install went smooth, but apparently it did not. I'll probably be out here for another hour and a half or 4. We'll see what happens. Depends on how much energy I got. Powered by Red Bull. Stick with me. We're going to go through the whole process of putting this together the slow way. Weekend Warrior. 76 crank, 2241 cam, 90.5 pistons, and all the goodies that I can put on it. Also probably going to do a Type 4 cooler. I don't know if I'm going to do it right away, if I'm going to do it this winter, but I want to try it. I want to see what the difference is. So maybe I'll try the standard cooler first. I do have an extra fan shroud, so maybe I'll cut that one up and put the Type 4 cooler in it. This one cleaned up the bit. Oh, yeah, that's another thing I did. Get crazy with the cleaning. Clean that up. And got new bolts for it instead of just the threaded rod. I'm hoping I don't have to do a lot with these. Watched VW Jawbreaker and it's all the stuff he's got to figure out what these heads are and CC them and do deck height and all that stuff. So I have all kinds of tools and everything. I also bought that thing, that robot angle, whatever you want to call it, so that I can take these springs and valves out. And saw that the sides of the push rods also had wear on them from either rubbing on the push rod tubes or something else inside. And let's just say it's sketchy. Right, Johnny? Just sketchy. So what we're going to do, take these off, check them, clean them up. I made these for my old engine just to keep the critters and the dust and stuff out. Probably going to port this a little bit. Exhaust. And, we'll see. I don't know how crazy I want to get with the intake on these. This is 042 Mofoco. Maybe in a month from now, we'll have this going into the car if things go well. We'll see. Anyway, stick with me. Join me through the journey. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Give me advice. I need it. I'm a newbie. I'm learning as I go here. Have a great day, everybody.